Hey guys, how's it going? How to use staging sites in Hostinger. So, using staging site in Hostinger is a great way to test changes before going live. Here's a quick guide. You can log into your Hostinger and go to the Edge panel. If you're using WordPress, just go ahead to the WordPress and then staging, right? And you're gonna be able to see right here from the staging, you're gonna be able to basically enter the subdomain for the staging website and then click create, right? And you can log in and go to your Edge panel, or you can create a staging site. Navigate to the website using the Hostinger, and you can use a WordPress as an easy method to create a website. Look for an option labeled staging or staging site, and you can be able to create staging as we said before, and then you're gonna test the changes and access the staging site. And basically after you right here, you're gonna add the staging admin panel right here. You're gonna see it, right? You're gonna be able to see that this is the staging domain is completed, and you can once you're satisfied with the changes, you could go back to the staging area in Hostinger and then click on push to live or deploy and follow the prompts basically to apply the changes to your live site. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We'll definitely see you in the next one.